Alright, in this video we're going to go over the video frame renderer code in the PythoMS master folder. And I'm going to be working on a Mac. Alright, so first we're going to navigate over into the full folder or file, and we're going to just comment out file name in line 24. Alright, and we're going to just copy and paste from pyarser the file path to our mzml file that we made when we set up the code. Great, and just paste that in right below it. Alright, the second thing to change is the labels that are going to appear at the top of the plot. We're going to want to enter whatever species you're plotting. To get subscripts and superscripts, basically just use this $sign notation, and either a little caret or a underscore to get the sub or superscript. If you look further to the right, there's some other parameters to change, so you can change the color. For the bounce, you want to enter basically just the region in which your species occurs. So it's basically going to highlight the peak a certain color. So once this is done, you're going to want to make sure there's no typos. It looks like I have forgotten to put parentheses around my bounds for the alkyne. Now the next thing you want to change is you can set the scan range. That's basically like what part of the reaction did you want to video or want a video of. The MZ range is basically just the x-axis bounds. So my species are 330 and 615. And that's basically where you want the time on the x-axis to be 0. And this is where you're going to have a vertical line on the plot that marks some event, such as a catalyst injection. I like to put 15. That's basically just going to be how fast your video is. Then at the very bottom, you're going to want to change the codec to, say, codec H246. Or 264. Comment that out. And that just basically allows your Mac to run it and watch it on QuickTime Player. Hit run again. Make sure it's running the right file. So this is going to take a while, especially if you have a long reaction to render. And looks like it's just doing the final step. Great. Alright, and you're going to navigate back to the folder it's in, and it's going to be an MP4 file that it spat up. And if you hit play, it should be a nice movie of your reaction. And of course, if there's any parameters that you want to change, you just head back up into the script where we change the scan range and all that to play around with how your video looks.